Hello, Iman. Welcome to the Voice of Common People interacting with Rami. I have known you for the 5 to 6 months onwards. You are an incredible person in terms of behavior and attitude. And I never seen such kind of people right now. So, and coming to your professional background, you are very good at clinical knowledge and you practiced so far a dentist in different countries. So my question to you, so as a dentist, so what are the things we want to keep in our mind?
Hello, and thank you for providing me the opportunity to have interview with you. Actually, I work as a dentist as you mentioned, I work as a dentist in several countries, and I have a good background regarding the clinical things. As a dentist, if someone wants to if someone wants to pursue a career in the dentistry,
Hmm.
at first they must have adequate knowledge, a good grades, and study hard. And the
Hmm.
second part is the art. Dentistry considered as an art and science. It's
Hmm.
not art alone.
Hmm.
It's not science alone. You must be proficient in science. You must know all the aspect of biology, mathematics, and also chemistry and different basic sciences. And as well, you must have some knowledge regarding the artistic material. You must have good hands. Some people are love painting. Some people like different arts, and they're proficient in different arts. So they can be a good candidate in order to become a dentist.
Correct. But my second question to you, very clear. So some people are very much interested to practice their own practice. On the other hand, some people they want to work in esteemed institutions. So, in your point of view, which one is more flexible and which one get more recognition, fame, and name?
Okay, yeah, as I get your question, you mean that if someone wants to work as a clinical in a private office or in the university, for me, I'm really interested to in academical things, and I want to all the times. One of my, dream was to become a faculty member in the university, and I
Mhm.
don't think only about the practice. I want to do the education alongside with the practice. Being a faculty member provide you with the opportunity to have to become updated, to have access to the current knowledges about the dentistry. And also, I'm really interested to be as a teacher. One of our dream when we were kids, some of us was being a teacher. So for me, that's the truth. I came from family with that background. My father was a teacher. My mother was a teacher. So I'm really interested to be some hands in the educational and also be involved to teaching others, especially the interested people who wants to pursue a career in the dentistry. So that's lead to I got a master degree in the medical education beside my background in the dentistry. I there in that master of medical education had the chance to become familiar with different methods, different learning styles. That's really fascinating and interesting for me,
Okay.
and I like
Yeah.
both of them at the same time. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I know that. Personally, you are so much wholehearted person, I the kinded-hearted person, and helping nature
Thank you.
person. If anyone asking to you any kind of question, you never think twice. You are giving helping towards others only. So where you learn such kind of helping nature? Because it's very hard to be practice helping nature towards other nowadays. It's literally daunting. But in your case, you are so kind and humble and always helping towards others many times. How
Thank
it
you
is
for
possible?
your stay. Thank
Yeah.
you for your attention, kind attention. Actually, in the education, we have one thing that's the theoretical things that are learned to everyone, and the other thing is role model.
Hmm.
One of the team methods for learning is role model. If you have good role models, actually you will learn from them. I remember some of my professors during my undergraduate studies and graduate, they were really kind people. And whenever you ask them, anytime they can help you with the maximum of their attention and help.
But nowadays, I think people are if somebody have good knowledge, they are not ready to share that knowledge. But in our case, you have a lot of knowledge, ample of knowledge. You are ready to share with others. But why the differences between some people? They have their own knowledge, but they are not try to express to others. If I'm giving so much knowledge to others, they will learn and they will progress. They don't like it. So there are two kinds of people are there. So why nowadays people are very materialistic and egoistic? They never share their knowledge to anybody.
Nowadays hiding the knowledge is not possible. Nowadays it's a, with vast majority of the internet, every people can access their knowledge. Not it takes time, but
Mhm.
they will access. So I think the people who are trying to hide their knowledge or acting materialistic, they are, I don't know, I cannot realize the intention behind their mind, as if
Mm.
they want to hide that. Sooner or earlier,
Later.
people
Mm.
will get,
It's revealed.
they will, yeah,
Sooner or later, it's revealed. Thank you. That
yeah.
was lovely, Iman. I
Yeah,
know
yeah.
that
So,
you.
but that's not the only reason. As I mentioned, I have good. I think that with the good role models, if me as a
Mm.
teacher
Mm.
try to show all my knowledge to my students,
Mm.
so in future they will, show that to their students, and that can be resolved in, a chain of people trying to share the knowledge.
Correct.
And as one of the main things that someone can be a good teacher is trying to share the knowledge
Mm.
as much as they can. Every us have some might encounter their problems or anything during our practice. It's good to share with others, and our work is a clinical thing. The life of the for the doctors, the life of the patients are their hands of their students, and for us, the dental status of the whole society is in their hand of their students. So if
Okay.
we don't teach them adequately, it might
Mm.
cause some problem for
Yeah.
the future.
Yeah. My final question to you, in our point of view, what will be the future of dentistry? Especially in dental career and dental opportunities and those who are working in dentist. So, what will be the future in dental?
That's a good question. Actually, I believe that in future, dentistry will become more digitalized, and with the help of AI and artificial intelligence, they will go much more in that direction. As you can see nowadays, with the help of the different softwares, we can diagnose the caries. We can, make the crown and restoration for the teeth. So with the help of AI, I think that in future there will be a huge a revolution in the field of dentistry. And I believe that dentists should be knowledgeable with that regard, and they can do as much as possible, as it's some sort of literacy for they must be literate in the AI and have some hands, especially in the artificial intelligence, if they can, as soon as possible.
Yeah. Finally, what is your message? The those who are listening to these kind of conversation, um, in terms of your experience, what you are giving to recommendations for youngsters?
Actually, I believe that everyone who wants to become a dentist, better to be multi-directional,
Correct.
multi-directional. Some people, thinks that they just study, and that kind of people might succeed during their life, but they won't enjoy their life.
Correct.
As a dentist, I studied, I literally interested in the medical education. I studied Master of
Mm.
Medical Education. That's really amazing. That was really amazing for me, amazing experience. And also, I'm really interested in the biomaterial and bioengineering stuff. I try to learn as much as possible. And being an active learner is a really good things for everyone. And this it doesn't depend on the age. Even in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and the higher ages, you can be active learner, and that
Mm.
experience is really amazing. And
Yeah.
yeah,
But one thing I learned from the final sentence, you should be multidisciplinary. Learning
yeah,
is a long journey. It doesn't
yeah.
impact the age, gender, irrespective of
Yes,
all those things. Oh my
yes, you're
God.
right. You're
Yeah.
right. And
Yeah.
yeah, that's a really interesting being an active learner for and a lifelong learner is a good thing for everyone.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much, Iman, for giving your time and explaining lot of information that within a speculated time. You are giving lot of words. Definitely, we want to take that and we try to implement our day-to-day activities also. Thank you for giving
Yeah, yeah,
your time and sharing your knowledge. We'll
yeah.
catch you later, Iman. Iman,
I
bye.
want, yeah. Thank you.